My mother was singing a lot of songs, you know, the lullabies in Yiddish, of course, and also sometime in Polish. But all the songs, it's from when I was in the Jewish organ. Of course, you know, it's always in my head. All the songs that I heard, I sang when I was a younger. It's all my life, or maybe for this less Yiddish, but all the Hebrew songs. Also, they call it the song for the Olim Chadashim, for the newcomers in Israel, that they remain always with the old songs. But yes, this is also a part of my life. That we of course, and we dance a lot of all of the Israeli dance too. But this because I remain 10 years in the young organization, and that you feel that when you meet somebody in the street. For us, of course, in Brussels, we have immediately the feeling if he was in a youth organization, in Jewish youth organization or not, because it's something special. Even it's not the same than you, because you have maybe 5, 6 Zionist youth Zionist, like you have the Hashomer Tzayir, you have the Abonim, Anor Hatzioni, Bnei Akiva, and so. But you have the feeling that you have something in common with all those, even there was no in the same organization that you were.